Where do you get to start a business for $100, my friend? In actual fact, in South Africa, that's about 1,800 Rand. And if you take everything into account, the website fee that in actual fact gets all set up for you, a professional looking website, a fully automated system that runs in the back end, all you need is the program, the website fee, which are all once-off fees. You get a domain name and you get an email address. So let's say all the costs is plus minus 2,500, 2,800 Rand. You can set up a multi-million dollar, or not multi-million dollar, but if you want to do the conversion, you're more than welcome to. But you can set up a multi-million dollar or multi-million South African Rand business by starting with literally just $100. With all the added fees, you're looking at about $150, roughly around about there, $150, $160 once off fee, my friend. You cannot easily start a business for lower than that. In actual fact, a business that pays you 100% profits, where you get to keep 100% of every single sale that you make. So you invest once, you make your very first two sales, then your business is fully paid for. In actual fact, one sale and a little bit more, your investment capital is fully paid for. If you want to know more about what it is that I'm talking about and what's changing lives, my friend, it changed mine, it's changing other individuals' lives, comment yes for more info.